Let's unbox Powerbeats Fit. The packaging is 100% fiber-based with zero plastics. You'll find your earbuds inside the charging case, which is now 17% smaller than the Beats Fit Pro case. To experience great sound and comfort, the right fit is essential. That's why you'll find 3 additional ear tip sizes underneath the case. Be sure to find your perfect size. The other key to an unshakable fit is the soft, flexible wingtip. Gently tuck each wingtip under the ridge in your ear, like this, and Powerbeats Fit stays securely locked in. The earbuds and case are sweat and water resistant. You can control each earbud with their B buttons. Powerbeats Fit comes with active noise canceling, transparency mode, and personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. And it's compatible with both Apple and Android. With the charging case, you can get up to 30 hours of battery life. If you want extra protection for your buds, you can get Apple Care Plus coverage. And Powerbeats Fit comes with a free trial of Apple Music. Scan the digital quick start guide anytime for full product info.